In this video, I'll show some updates to the InDesign script, Export Named Pages. If you haven't already, it's a good idea to watch the original video after this. See the link in the description. When I made the first video, users contacted me with ideas for more features. The suggestions were great, and I've added many to the script. For this video, I'll focus on the new options. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on macOS. Here's the document from the first video, but with a few changes. The 3 pages now use separate master pages, each a different size. I'll show why in a bit. For a quick recap of using the script, I'll export using a paragraph style. On each page, the text for the agent's name is assigned the paragraph style agent. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. In the list, select the script Export Named Pages and double-click to run it. In the first section, Name from Content, choose the method Paragraph Style. Click OK, and the pages are exported. On the left is the result. Each file is the name of the agent. This is part of the original functionality. Now for the new features. First is the method Object Style. This refers to an object style applied to images. It works like the image method, but not the first or last in the stacking order. Instead, you can choose the image by its object style. I've made an object style, file name. The style doesn't do anything, like add a stroke, but it could. I'm only using it to identify the images I want for file name. I'll assign the style to the agent photos on each page. And run the script again. This time, I'll choose Object Style. And in the drop-down list, select File Name. Click OK, and the pages are exported. Now the file names match the image file names. See here in the Links panel. Next is a powerful new feature, prefix and suffix. This puts text before and after the name. Enter any text you like. For example, and here's the result. That's handy, but it gets even better. To the right of the prefix and suffix are small buttons with 3 dots. Click either button to get a new window, Add Variables. Not only can you enter any text, you can insert variables. I'll clear the prefix and suffix and enter some variables. For prefix, let's use page number. Recall that I made the 3 pages each a different size. For suffix, I'll add variables for page width and height, with an X in between. This is inches, so I'll add IN. Click OK to close the window, then OK to output the pages. Each file has the page number, agent name, and page size. Also, below the list of variables are a few options. Page size measurement units applies to the page size variables. There's also a variable that inserts the abbreviation for the units. Page size scale is a multiplier for layouts not built to actual size. 4 means 1/4 scale. If the page is 11 inches tall, in the file name, it becomes 44. Last is minimum digits. For variables related to page number, this pads the number with zeros to become at least this many digits. I'll increase it to 6. The page numbers are now 6 digits, and the page size has been multiplied by 4. Let's try millimeters and the units variable. And drop the digits to 2. There you go. That's just a few of the variables. Try the updated script to get a feel for the rest. Next, notice that Name from Content has a checkbox. If unchecked, it's disabled, and nothing on the page creates a file name. In that case, it's all up to the prefix and suffix. Be sure to use variables that make unique file names, like page number. Otherwise, you risk overwriting files with the same name. The last new feature applies to JPEG and PNG output. Each has a checkbox to include bleed. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.